Hey guys, so today we are opening up a package that I got from my friend Natalie. There's a lot of stuff in it.
Another!
She told me it got delivered, so that's the first thing I grabbed is this. Whoa. Okay. What? And the chocolates I like? You crazy woman. Oh my god. This is so nice. You really didn't have to. God, I love you so much, and like I want to shower you with affection, and I've got like a quarter. Oh, thank you so much. Oh my god, I have to have one now. I've been wanting one of these for a really long time. I always see them in the store and I'm just like, not today. Airhead Bites. Officially favorite candy. I've never tried these, but I do now. I have to share them with Soren and Andy and Calvin. Shh, no, May. Come here. Come here, May. Come here. Hi. 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 Okay. Ooh. Oh, it's a shirt for Soren. It glows in the dark. Oh, cute. Oh. Come here, Meg. Come here. Come sit by me. Come here. Don't be naughty. Look at this. Smell. Oh, thank you. He's gonna love that. Mate. Come here. Sit down. Sit down. Don't look out the window. Just sit down. Sit down, doggo. Okay, what else we got? Ooh, what is... No! Oh my god. I've been wanting a journal. Like, I've been wanting a journal and I just haven't gotten one because I'm like, I don't know. I don't want one yet. Or like, I don't know which one I want. Oh, cool. It's those ones. Oh my gosh. I've been watching August B on Instagram, and she has the most pretty journal, and like she has it's just a basic journal, but then she'll take it and she'll just like decorate the crap out of it, and then she'll write in it, and I'm like, I want to do something like that. Like, not exactly, but kind of. Oh, I love this. Oh, and Soren's gonna like it too, because he's gonna like do this thing where he loves stuff like this, and I love stuff like this. Oh my god, yes. Oh my god, the paper is so cute too. Look at that. This is gonna be amazing. It even has a bookmark in it. It has that, here we go. It has this thingy. Yes. Thank you. Ooh, candy. That's what the shaking was. Right, so we got a Mike and Ike's Merry Mix with Holiday Punch, Cherry, and Lime. I've actually never tried Mike and Ike's before, but oh my god, that sounds awesome. Okay. Ooh, Sour Patch Kids, green and red, soft, chewy candy. Ooh, oh, this sounds so good. I can't wait. Can't wait to try them. Ooh, what is this? Sweet Tarts Mini Chewy. Great stocking stuffer. I've never tried these either. Candy. I got some candy. What is in here? Is this just padding? Yes. Ooh, good. I'm gonna reuse this too. And that was my box. Here's what we got. Here's what we got, guys. We got 3 different, well, actually like 4 different types of candy. We got these Airheads. We got Sweet Tarts. Sour Patch Kids. We got Mike and Ike's. I'm really excited to try these Mike and Ike's because I've never had it. And then we got a super pretty journal that goes like this. And I'm going to decorate it and it's going to be awesome on the inside. Oh, I'm going to be like a journal guru now. It's amazing. Oh, I love it. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. And then Soren got this super cute shirt that's Spider-Man. He's gonna love that. It's gonna be great. Oh my god. And then these chocolates. Oh my god, I'm living for these chocolates. And then a really nice gift card, which was super generous of you. You're like my best friend, and not just like because you send me stuff, but just because in general you are like one of the best people that I've ever known, and I love you so much, and you're so amazing, and like you deserve an island, but I got a quarter, and like I'm overwhelmed by the love. Like it made me feel special. I love you. But that was everything, guys. Like, oh my god. Just squishy. And I'm gonna finish this chocolate. Thank you, Natalie. You're amazing. I'm gonna go now.